Hi, I want to show you an app I created for converting different data files into HTML format. So this is my website and app called Save as HTML. So to load the app, I click on the download button and download will soon begin. And then I click on Save as HTML. Double click on MSI, click on more info, run anyway, and basically it will install app on my PC. And you can see there is a shortcut created, this. And then I double click on shortcut. So basically app support all these formats. It converts data from these formats into HTML. And basically what it will do, it will take for XML, for example, and create table from it. Let me demonstrate. So if I click on open file and then I go to document, then I go, let's find states XML. It's just states XML. It's basically it's XML file. I can show you what it is. Documents, states. You are on record now. Hi, I want to show you an application I have created for converting data into HTML tables and HTML pages. This is my website and tool called Save as HTML. And to install this tool on my computer, I click on download and then double click on archive, double click on MSI, just click more info, run anyway, next. And basically it will install application on my computer, and you can see that there is a shortcut on my desktop. You can close this. Now this application can convert like these data files, data like tables from these files into HTML tables. So for example, if I have states XML file like this, states XML, states CSV, states XML, yeah, states XML. So I have this XML file. It contains data with the state name, state code, and I wanted to convert it into HTML. So what I will do, I will just double click on application, select states XML file, right? And then click next step, option. This is the option for CSV files, like to present like first column or as a header. It's not valid for XML, but could be useful for another type of files. And I click run, and I can save it as a document. Let's save it as a document, save HTML. I can specify name of the file or leave it as it is. It's okay. So, and we can see that file saved. We can go to documents, and here we go. We have our file here. I can double click on it, and yeah, Firefox is updating just a second. And here is my file. So you can see like all XML is converted into table with all data being so. And basically this application can yeah, so Wyoming is last. Cool. And like this application can convert data from these different types of files and create HTML out of them. Basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.